As a quick video to show you how to remove the CIM wiper indicator controls of our Astra MK6 or Astra J. First you have to remove the steering cowling. There's a 7mm underneath the steering cowling, and you have to turn the steering wheel on an angle, and there's a 7mm here, a 7mm bolt here. Then all the steering cowling will come off. Then you have to remove the airbag, and the way you do that is you put a screwdriver through each of these holes, and what you need to do is push these in with the screwdrivers on the opposite side. Alright, here's the airbag. I've got a screwdriver in the back, and you can see all you do is push it across, and that will release the airbag. You have to do it on both sides for the airbag to come off. Once you've got the airbag off, what you need to do is remove the center. It has a big Torx head on, which is a TX50. Remove the TX50 and then the steering wheel will pull off. Once the steering wheel is off, you've got on here, you see there, it's a snap bolt. What they do is from the factory they put it in, and when it's tight the nut snaps off the head. So to get them out, you can see I've already put a chisel mark in. What you need to do is get a chisel, put a mark in, then tap it round with the hammer and chisel, and that will loosen the bolt to come out. And when it does, all you do is put the key in the ignition, turn it, and the whole CIM will come off.